Hey guys, if you really like the crispy chili oil like I am, keep watching. I'm gonna teach you how to make it at home. So here are my ingredients. I have olive oil, crushed chili, shallot, fried garlic, chili. What I'm gonna do, I will add some fish sauce because I want to have that umami taste. And then I'm gonna add some of the seaweed. Just to enhance the flavor a little bit. Right, first we're going to half jar. I'm just gonna go play by ear, alright? And the next thing I'm gonna do is put half a bag of chili or dry chili. Depends on how well you deal with spice as well. And then we like shallot, chili oil, the crispy come from this one. Fried garlic. Same thing, I'm gonna play by ear. Maybe I add a little bit. This garlic is what is making it really tasty. 1 teaspoon of tablespoon, doesn't matter. If you like spicy, you add a little bit more. Fish oil. You need sugar and salt. So instead of salt, I'm not gonna add salt because this thing is bloody salty already. Add a little bit sugar, right, to help bind all the flavor together. Not too big of a sugar fan, so I'm just gonna add one tablespoon seaweed because I want to have that umami taste. It'll be sensational. I only use literally 1 piece of this, only 1 piece. Eat it raw, to be honest. You can just fold this, finish right on. Alright. I think I have added everything. Just let me see what else have I missed out, right? Oh, in there they also have the ginger, but I don't add ginger in there. So you can see now, there you go. Not too shabby. Mix it up. I'm gonna show you what it is look like after I blend them all. I reckon we could even add a little bit more chili, to be honest. I'm gonna eat that right now. Upon tasting, the umami is very strong, obviously because of seaweed and fish sauce. It's not spicy. I will add a little bit more chili personally, which I will do in a sec using either the crushed one or the dry chili. But either way, it definitely is very crispy because of the shallot. So it's gonna go well. You can literally mix this with noodles, you eat it with rice, you can literally eat it with anything. It's gonna taste good. And olive oil is obviously a better alternative than all the other oil that you could use. So go crazy guys. See you later. Bye.